Hi everyone. Today I am teaching for you that chapter 1 of CBSE Max Euclid chapter 1 real numbers. इसमें से I will teach you Euclid division lemma. Okay. What is Euclid division lemma? It is an algorithm. It is a theorem. What is that one? If a and b are two positive integers, then they must satisfy the condition a is equal to bq plus r, or 0 less than is equal to r less than b. That means here a and b are two integers and q is what is q? A and b are integers. Okay, and what is q? Q is the quotient in the division. What is r? R is the remainder of the division. Okay, इसमें कंडीशन है what 0 is less than is equal to r less than b. That means remainder is in between 0 and the positive integer second number b. Okay, for example, if 45 divided by 6 is okay, 45 divided by 6, what will do in division? 6 into 7 or 42. If you subtract this one, you are getting 3 as a, here 3 is the remainder, 3 is the remainder, and what is the quotient? 7 is the quotient. And which one is two numbers a and b? 45 is a, 6 is the b. How to represent in the this form? Euclid division lemma. How to represent this one? What is the condition? A is equal to b plus bq plus r. Okay, how to represent this one? What is a? 45. 45 is equal to b क्या है? 6 into what is q? 7 plus what is remainder r? 3. How to represent? This is the representation of the which one? Euclid division lemma. Okay, so I again repeat this one. Actually, Euclid division lemma. What is Euclid division lemma? If two numbers, you take two numbers a and b are two positive integers, then these two numbers satisfy in the division. Which condition? A is equal to bq plus r, where a and b are two integers, q is the answer of the division, that means quotient, plus r is the remainder. Okay, where r is in between 0 and b, or equal to or 0 also. Okay, then if you do an example, 45 divided by 6, if we get what? 7 as quotient and 3 as remainder. Okay, so we can return this division as in this like this condition by the Euclid division lemma. How to write this one? 45 is equal to 6 into quotient is what? 7 plus remainder is 3. This is a representation of Euclid division lemma. Okay, you understood now? Okay, from this Euclid division lemma, we have to find HCF. Okay, HCF of two numbers. Okay, HCF two numbers. How to find HCF of two numbers? Here we have to find HCF of 45 and 125 by which division method? Euclid division method. How to find this one? By division, how to do this one? You take 125 divided by 40. How to do this one? So 45 into 2, 90. Okay, so you subtract this one, you get the remainder 30, getting 35 as the remainder. Okay, this is the first step. How to write this one as a Euclid division lemma? 45 is equal to 125 is equal to 45 into quotient is 2. Quotient is 2 plus remainder is what? 30 5. A is equal to B into Q plus this is a representation. Okay, so here what is A is 125, B is quotient is 2, remainder is 35. Okay, this is first step 1. Actually in this, if you find HCF, we have to find the division, repeat division until R remains 0. Okay, we have to repeat this division until R remains 0, remainder become 0. Now next step is what? Next step is the remainder. The remainder, say we have to divide 45. 45 from 35 we have to divide first B. Okay, so 35 one time we getting 10 as remainder, 1 as quotient. Again step 2. What is step 2? Let's write this as a Euclid division formula. Okay, 45 is equal to 35 into what is quotient? 1 plus remainder is 10. Okay, this is second step. And what you do? What is the third step? This remainder, from this remainder we have to divide this B, 35. This is step 3. Okay, up to till the remainder becomes 0, up to that you have to do this process. Okay, 10 into 3, 30. What is remainder? 5. 5 is the remainder, 3 is the quotient. Now how to write this step 3? 35 B, no, A. 35 is equal to B is what? 10. 10 into what is the answer? Quotient 3. 3 plus remainder is what? 5. Step 4. What is step 4? You do it yourself. Again, from these reminders, you have to divide 30, but divided 35, the B. Okay, A. Okay, A not B. Then okay, 10 divided by 5. What will the answer? 2. 10. Remainder become 0. Okay, the problem is over. That means up to 0 we have to divide. Okay, step 4. What is step 4? A is equal to what is A? 10. Okay, 10 is equal to 5 into Q what? Q what? 2 is the Q plus Q what? 2. 2 is the Q plus remainder becomes 0. Up to this one you have to do. From this, how to find HCF? Here HCF is equal to what is HCF? HCF is what? Highest common factor. इसमें highest common factor what is? Highest common factor. Here you take the number. Last step say you have to find the common factor. Which one is the common factor here? 5 is the common factor. That means B. Every time last steps, in the last step what is B? That is the common factor, highest common factor. HCF is the highest common factor. Any step up to remainder 0 we have to do these steps, and from this the B is the HCF. Okay, from HCF of 45 and 125 is which one? 5. Okay, that means highest common factor. How to find? We have to, I will repeat again. First we have to do division. Okay, 125 divided by 45. From this we have to write step 1. This 125 is equal to 45 into 2 plus 35. So here remainder is 35. Up to remainder becomes 0. We have to do the repeated division and write the Euclid division algorithm each steps. Okay, then at last we getting what? Remainder 0. So here from this step we have to write the HCF. HCF is equal to which one? The B, the number B, that means 5. Here 5 is B, 2 is the quotient. But 5 is the highest common factor. HCF for 45 and 125 is high. I think you should understand this one now. So prepare. I will do next exercise problems in next 2 days. So thank you everyone for watching this video and subscribe my video. Okay, thank you.